Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be changing the passenger side brake light on my 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. I'm not sure if this is the same for like the limited and other packages, but this is a 2006 Laredo. So we're gonna just go ahead and get started and just change this passenger side brake light. First things first, we have they're Torx screws that we're gonna need to take out, and we are gonna need a T25 for those. And then you'll need a flathead screwdriver because there is a little piece inside you have to pry out. And then this is the light bulb you need, 3157. So once you've taken out these two Torx screws, it should pull right out. Sometimes there's a tab in here that you have to pop out, but it looks like mine is gone. There are two little pegs in the back side over here that hold it in, so you kind of have to just like tug it out. It takes a little bit of force, but it should just pop right out. There we go. And then you have your brake light, reverse light, your tail light, all those are here. And you just have to unclip this, and this power source should just unplug like that. And then mine has a little tab down here. Okay, so this just was in this little hole here. It just pops right out. I had to use a screwdriver to get it to come out. So the brake light is the top one here. That's the one we're going to change. Okay, so to get this out, all you have to do is, it's easier to do with a flathead, but you just have to push down and it pops right out. Push it in and it pops out. Bulb. So here's our new bulb. Here's our old one. You can tell it's all like blackened. I think that this should just pull. Oh, there's little tabs on the side. Then your one just comes right out, and your new one should just slide right in. Ta-da! And then it just pops right back in. This is all just like plug and play. Okay. Now we're just gonna reverse what we did when we got it out. We're gonna put this little blue piece right back in here. There we go. Just had to turn it. This just plugs right back into here. Okay, so I'm not going to fully put it back in place yet. I'm going to go in the car and step on the brakes and make sure that it works before we fully get it screwed back in and everything. Okay, I got the thumbs up, so that means it's working. So now we're just going to take our two screws and just put them right back in. Actually, before we do that, we need to pop these two. I don't think I showed you, but these are the little things that were holding it in that I had to tug to get it out, and they go right in here. So we just have to pop that back in place. Okay guys, and that is how you change a brake light on a 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. I'm not sure, like I said, if it's the same for other editions of this, but it's pretty simple on the Laredo, and I would say go ahead and do the same thing on the driver's side. It's the same process, just the two screws and the light will come right out. Easy, simple, doesn't take that long. So if you guys are liking the content, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe, and let me know down in the comments what other videos you would like to see. If you have any specific like modifications you'd like to see, I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned.